What is going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another set of case reviews. This time we are looking at some cases by the company Totallee for the new iPhone 11. Let's check them out. So this company Totallee was nice enough to send me over some samples from their new iPhone lineup. I'm just going to get these out. Now they do a very minimalistic packaging, as well as a thin and slim minimalistic phone case. So I'm going to drop a link below so you guys can go and check them out. But I'm going to get all these open. Get all these open and out, and I'll stack all these boxes up to the side. And then we'll open them up and we'll see what we got. Oh, this one has a note. So this says, hi Nick, it's to Nick, that's me. I'll read that later. It's not for you guys. All right, and last one, here we go. All of our packaging, I'm gonna put it to the side. Okay, so here we go. Very slim, very thin, very minimalistic type cases. Let's see how we open these up. So you can either pry them open or you can just peel them across the top. I will probably just pry these open. Okay, that's one. It's two. It's three. Four. And five. And this one is like a gel skin. Okay, more trash to the side. All right, let's talk about these. Now, like I said, these cases are very minimalistic, guys. You notice they do have the square cutout for the cameras, but for these, you hear the sound, very thin, very minimalistic. Now this is not going to actually protect your device, guys, but this is just something to cover it, to keep it from getting scratched, keep it from getting banged up. But if you drop this, you still run the risk of breaking your device. Now they come in more colors than this. This is all they sent me for right now, but I think there's a red and also like a pink hue in these cases. And then this is like a silicone type shell that they have. Like I said, once again, very minimalistic. It's not going to protect against those big falls and big drops, but it is going to keep your back from getting scratched up. And we know that back was made out of glass, and got your camera cut out right here. You do have your buttons over here and on the side as well. Everything looks good. We'll just have to wait until that phone comes out, and then we will try these on and we'll see how they look. But they were able to send me over some of these, so I wanted to get a little first look of these cases out to you guys. I may even be giving some of these away, so just stay tuned to the channel. iPhone season is here. Hope this is able to help someone out. I'll drop a link below so you can go and check them out. But until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.